Mortaza here with Heartbeat, and I'm going to show you how to delete a single event within a larger event series of recurring events. So inside your community, you're going to navigate to the events tab on the left sidebar over here, and it's going to show all the events that you have. For this, I'm assuming you already have a recurring event that you've created. And so let's say, I've got these events coming up. I want to go ahead and delete the Friday, May 23rd one. Maybe I'm going to be out of town for that event. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on the event over here, and then I'm going to click on the three dots to the right of the event over here, and I'm going to click this delete option. What this is now going to do is it's going to ask me to confirm what I'm actually trying to delete. So I have three options here. First option is just to delete this singular instance of the event. So all of the other events in this series remain, but this one specifically gets deleted. So this is probably what I want to hit if I'm going to be out of office for this one date. The second option that I have is to delete this event and then all future instances of the event, which effectively ends the recurring event. But we want to retain all the information on the past events just to make sure members don't lose that. If there's any information or anything that's relevant to them there, we want to make sure that that's visible. And so the last option here is to delete all instances. And for that last option, that's like, hey, I made this event, I made it an error, I just want to get rid of all of it so that I can have a clean calendar. That's when I would use this last option. And so to delete the singular instance, I'll click the blue button over here. This will allow me to go ahead and delete that instance, and you can see now it skips from May 16th to May 30th. So that's exactly what I want to be able to do when I'm deleting one specific instance of that whole recurring event. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions.